Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by identifying the keyboard interface and why it matters. USB plugs are plug-and-play, Bluetooth needs pairing. Once done, inspect the laptop ports and battery. Low power can block Bluetooth discovery. Make sure you can open Settings or Control Panel. This is where drivers and pairing options live. If wired, test the cable for damage. If wireless, insert fresh batteries or fully charge the keyboard so you avoid mid-setup disconnects. Now connect a wired keyboard. Plug directly into the laptop port. Do not use an unpowered hub first, because direct power and data reduce driver errors. Once connected, the OS will typically install drivers automatically. Check Device Manager or System Report to confirm the device appears. If it does not, unplug and try another port, then reboot. For legacy PS/2 keyboards, shut down. Attach wire adapter or to the internal header only if you know the service procedure. Then, for wireless keyboards, enable Bluetooth on the laptop and put the keyboard into pairing mode. Once visible, select it and enter any PIN shown. This authenticates the link. After pairing, test every key and the function row because drivers or firmware may be needed for special keys. Install the manufacturer software if you want macros or backlight control. If things go wrong, restart the laptop, try a different port, replace batteries, or remove and repair the device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.